Hey guys, welcome back to Electrical Car Repair Live. Our mission in the garage is to save you guys as much money as we can. That's why we make these absolutely free videos and we teach you how to fix your car for free. Let's go ahead and start on it now. Channel, if you guys have a BMW, guys, BMW E46, this is a 3 Series, guys, from year 1998 to year 2006, and you're guys trying to test your fuel tank ventilation system valve, or also known as purge valve, guys, stay with us and we'll show you how to do that. There is two ways to test that. Manual, okay, but you will have to remove the unit and test it yourself with a 12-volt supply. We have the video on the channel, and today we will be covering the second way, guys, okay, and the second way to do that is with a scanner. Okay, we're going to activate, deactivate it, and hear if it's working without removing anything. So if you're guys into the car business, fixing cars, you definitely want to check this thing out. The computer will be listed in the description of the video below. It can save you so much time and effort, guys. We'll have more than 200 videos on every car we get at the shop. You probably already know that. Our mission is to save you guys as much money as we can. Please subscribe to the channel, like the video, and leave a comment below, guys. Let us know if it was helpful. So let's start on it now. So we have the scanner right here now, guys. Let me show you. It consists of two things: the tablet and the programming device. That's a wireless device that connects to the OBD port of this BMW and any car you're working on. Now, as I said, guys, if you're fixing cars, even if it's for your own vehicle, okay, it may still be worth getting one of those because it can do so much, guys. This is a pretty much dealer level equipment. You can program computers, you can do so much with it. And nothing sponsored here. We even got a 1-year free updates when we got it. Check out all the makes that it supports, guys. Okay, it's just amazing. You can even work on Lamborghini, Ferrari if you want. Okay, amazing. So we'll go ahead, okay, on that BMW now. I'm going to go ahead and turn the key on, okay, turn the key on like that, and we're going to select BMW right here, and it's going to tell us, guys, give us two options. One is automatic selection. We need to enter our VIN number here now, and once we enter the VIN number, it's going to decode it, tells us about our vehicle. We need to confirm that this is the correct one. And next, okay, it's going to take just a little bit of time. Some older E46s used to have the 20-pin round pin connector for diagnostics. Ours doesn't. Ours just has the 16-pin connector. We need to click diagnostics, control unit, drive. This is your engine computer here, and now we need to select, guys. You'll give us a few options. We need to select active test. Okay, we're almost there now. Okay, active test, component activation, and if we scroll down, we come to, okay, let me see now, solenoid valve tank ventilation. This is your purge valve or tank ventilation valve. Now, the cool thing about that computer, I can just exit out of the vehicle. It's still plugged in there, but it is wireless, so it sends everything wireless, guys. And the purge valve on your E46, okay, it's hard to show you, but it's located right there under the intake on this side. You need to remove your air filter box and you can get to it. So what I can do now, okay, we are going to select this one and we can activate or deactivate. When I activate it, you'll hear it clicking for 20 seconds. Listen now. Now it stops clicking. You can definitely hear the click, guys. It's opening and closing, opening and closing. That's how we test it. Activate again. Deactivate. So definitely, guys, a working purge valve. You can see it took us only a couple minutes to do that. So not very complicated. Thank you guys for watching. Please. Hopefully, guys, the video was helpful and we were able to save you money. We guys have more than 19,000 free repair videos on our YouTube channels. Check them out. We have videos that can save you thousands of dollars in future repairs. Thank you for watching and see you guys next time.